Welcome back to Brewing with Cat. I am your host, Claude. Today we are brewing with the Aeropress. Begin by adding 16 grams of freshly ground coffee. Then add 270 grams of 96-degree water. Once this is complete, grab a stirring device and give the coffee a good stir, ensuring all grounds are saturated. Pop your lid on, expel any excess air, mug, flip, and now you are going to squeeze until all of the coffee is passed through the filter paper and into your mug. Once this is complete, remove the Aeropress. Now you can experience the fruits of your labor, and I am sure it'll be delicious. Until next time, goodbye.